up? Wednesday. So excited. Today I opted to go for an updo. Now, I used to have my hair cut short, but I've since grown my hair out and I'm all natural now. But I still kind of want like that mohawky crop top like look, like back in the day. So that's the look that I'm going for today. I just took my 26-inch weave out because it is humid as a mother outside. So I think this is a great style to kind of give you what I want, like that mohawk look, but also keeping all that hair off my neck. So yeah, I'm excited for today to get started. So what I decided to use for today, and I picked this up at my local beauty supply store, is this Sensationnel Showstopper. I decided to get it in a 1B, which is close to my hair texture. It says curls and kinks and co. So it's supposed to be a texture drawstring ponytail. So essentially I'm supposed to just take this, I can put it over, you know, the little knot that I already have up here. And I can kind of fluff it out and do what I want to do with it. So yeah, I'm hoping that this will give me the look that I desire to achieve today. So let's get started. So you can already see the kind of drawstring that's in here already. This is a clip, probably for the front, because you're supposed to have like that little bang in the front to kind of make the curls kind of sit in your face. The curls look nice. I'm probably going to pluck them out a little bit because I'm not going to lie, like right now these curls look like a tight, like oodles and noodles type curl. Yeah, I'm gonna pluck this out, I'm gonna pop this on, and we will see if I can make this work. Sensationnel. Put a little bobby pin in it to kind of hide the string. Ooh, it's cute. I'm gonna have to fluff it out so it doesn't just look like a set of like curls on my head. So excuse me while I try to make this look cute. I stink. I love it. Ooh. And this is the look. It looks so beautiful. I'm so in love with it. I can't wait to go out tonight. So yeah, this was a very successful Weave It Up Wednesday. Be sure to like and join our Facebook group. Follow us on Instagram and subscribe to us on YouTube at Melanin Beaute Boutique. I'm Ashley, so I will see you lovely ladies